This is how you work the awning. You're going to walk inside. On the control panel just inside, you're going to find the awning switch. You're going to hit extend and hold it, and it'll start going out. And you're going to watch the awning tube that's rolling out, and once you see all the fabric is going out, you're going to stop right there. Now there is a piece that hangs down, and a lot of times it sticks to the fabric like it did there, and you can roll that in just a little bit and it falls down, and then you can roll it back out. And to put the awning in, you're going to come back to the switch, hit retract and hold it, and you're going to hold it until the awning comes all the way in and it's up against the side of the camper. Like that. And you can hold it until it just completely stops. You want to make sure it pulls itself all the way in and it's tied up against the camper, especially if you're getting ready to tow. So there are a few rules that you need to follow for an awning. If the wind picks up and you see these awning arms start moving up and down, or the fabric's flopping around pretty hard, you need to put the awning in. Unfortunately, awnings are not able to stand up to a whole lot of anything. That includes rain and that includes wind. So if any of those things happen, if it starts raining or the wind starts blowing pretty hard, you're going to want to go ahead and put the awning in. These awnings are extremely expensive. They are a pain to deal with, and if the awning arm gets too much weight on it from rain or wind bends it, you can't put it in. Then you're going to have to figure out how you're going to get that back in so you can get home. So anytime you leave the camper, if you're going to head out to eat or go to the beach or whatever you're going to do, you need to put the awning in, because you never know what's going to happen when you're gone. So just make sure if you leave the camper, you're not going to be around it. Even if you go for a walk, a hike that may take an hour or two, put the awning in, because when you get back, you may show up to something you don't want to see. One thing that you should know is there's an adjustment for the awning. All you have to do is pull down. It's not very hard at all, and that can lower the awning down. They really say it's made to drain water off, but again, if it starts raining, you need to put the awning in. What we use it for mostly, we'll put each side down, put that side down as well. And then when the sun is really low, if you're sitting over here hanging out and the sun's kind of low in the morning time, it'll help block the sun and it give you some shade. So to put them back up, all you do is push underneath, you push it up. Same with the other side. And if you think we're being a little ridiculous with the awning, this is the second time this one has broken on our cargo trailer conversion. This thing was so expensive, and it is just not as sturdy as I hoped. So there you go. You don't want to be in this situation where you have to tape the awning to the side of the trailer just to keep it in. That's not a good feeling going down the interstate.